Hi, it's Skin again. So, sorry about the issue with the recording from yesterday. I was negligent. I forgot to actually check if what I presented was actually working. So, if you'll forgive me for that. But, okay. Is this working? Yeah, it is. So, this is the landing page for Freliq, the platform for clear, transparent, and robust communication between freelancers as well as their clients. So yeah, again, this is the landing page, just a simple little thing right here. But I'm going to get started, and for the purposes of this demo I'm going to be using two browsers because I want to actually be able to demonstrate how two users can speak to each other. So here's the URL if you actually want to check it out yourself, but I thought I'd actually walk you through the platform first and show you what it does. So I'm just going to sign in here with my email, and I'll go to Gmail right here. I think it'll be successful. Okay, there you go, success. And same thing this side. I'll get started, enter my email for this one, and I'll sign in. There should be a new email. It's arrived this side. I can now sign in, and then I'll close it up. Again, this is just the code for everything. Just thought you might want to see that. And then I'm gonna sign in this side as well. Okay, so at first glance, what you're going to notice is the Kanban board. This is basically a board that shows all of the tasks across all of your projects. Okay, so you're going to see that this one is called Create Auth Pages, and its status is it is in progress. That means we are working on it and we haven't finished the feature yet. If we hadn't started working on it, it would be under to do and awaiting validation. What that means is we are done with the feature as the freelancer, and we are waiting for the client to approve the feature and actually give us the go ahead to move on to the next one. We also have rejected feature and tasks as well as those that are done. So if I wanted to, I could actually drag this over under to do. Maybe we've gone back to it again after the client actually rejected it, and we're trying again, and I can save these changes. It's now it's now under to do permanently, even in the database. So even if I reload, it's still there. Right here, you're going to see just like a progressive timeline of all of the all of the projects. If I had more, they would simply appear here, and this shows their progress. Currently, we have 0 tasks completed out of 1, and the progress is 0%. This one is upcoming deadlines and milestones again. This shows the projects that have a deadline that is within the next 7 days. So I'm going to notice this one is from May 24th, which means this is 6 days from now. It's currently May 18th, so it's 6 days from now, so it's going to show up here. Okay, this is the dashboard. It's the same this side, but I don't have any projects or any tasks this side. So I'm going to show you the projects page. It's just going to have basically data about all of your projects. Over here you can see this is a line graph that shows you your all of your projects. So if I continue using this platform for like a year, it's basically going to have different lines going up and down, up and down. Right here in May you can see a spike because we created a single project in May. But if I keep using it for 12 months, you're basically going to have like a timeline of all of the projects from beginning to end. And here, right here, we have a pie chart that shows the distribution of your projects. So there's currently one that is active, there's none that is completed or rejected. So it's a total of 1, and that one is currently active. Simple. Over here we have different views for the projects. We have a table view, a cards view over here, as well as a list view. So under the table I can delete this project, or I can view project details. I can also create a new one via this button right there. So for now, let's view details. This is the project details page. It has details about each project at a more fine-grained level. So you're going to see the project's tasks. There's simply one task for now, and I can also upload files or go to the chat for this project. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm going to also look at the task details. There's also a page where you can see details about the task. So yeah, we have comments for a particular task. I can say demo comment here. So if you're working with a client, this is basically where they can comment about this task, like maybe change the color, maybe change the color to red, you know, and you will immediately be able to see this comment and say, okay, let me just switch it up a bit and add this new feature. And the client can also approve or reject this task. So for now, I'm just going to approve it. And if we go back to the projects page right here, okay, let's actually go to the tasks page. We can see that we now have one task in this project that is a status of done. Simple. And you're also going to see that I have a couple of notifications over here. This one, Kian commented on that for my recent project. That's for my recent comment. And then this one as well, less than a minute ago, I just commented on that as well. So I'm going to mark all of them as red and close this little guy up. So yeah, there's also the task page, tasks, this is it. And then the messages page, I believe this is one of the features that you wanted the most, communication between people inside of a project. So each chat over here is associated with a particular project. So this is the chat for Hello World app, and I believe this guy is also a part of that chat. So if I come over here and I say hi, it's going to appear this side right there. John Prime said hi. I can also say hey there. So yeah, this is not on my local computer. This is actually on the internet at this URL. Again, you can try it out for yourself if you want. But I just thought I'd walk you through first. I can also invite somebody to this chat, but since I already have John here, I don't wanna invite them again. But just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to invite them. There we go. The invitation has been sent. And if I now go this side, we have an email. You're invited to chat. So this email notification system again is fully functional and it is 100% there. This is just for the SaaS part of this. You can upgrade your plan to basic or pro. If you choose an annual plan, there will be a saving of 54%, $54 I mean, and then $180 for this one. Anyway, that's just upgrade one. You also have a settings page. You can customize whether you want email notifications or whether you want your profile to be public or visible to anybody on this app. And if I now reload, that's going to have changed as well in real time. Again, the billing section, this is going to show my current plan, everything that I have, 30 tasks per month, and my storage. I can also check out my my profile right here. I think this page looks much better on mobile devices. There you go, a cute little profile page right there. I can also edit my profile and add some data. I can see the changes. Okay, let's do this. There you go. So everything has been updated, and since I have actually verified my account with that email that they sent, it's going to actually show a tick or a verified badge. I can also create a new project. I'm just going to call this okay, so it's due date. I'm just going to say let's say June 12th. We go next. I can upload an image. For now I'm just not going to do that. And next I can invite somebody to this, so I'm going to invite myself again. And then I can create the first task. Create login pages. Okay, So again, the due date for this one is going to be May 22nd. I'm going to create this task, and it's been created. I can now go to my dashboard or view the project's details right there, as you can see. So if I go to the dashboard, that should now be there, one project and one task. Just give it a little bit. It's under to do. I'm going to set it to in progress and save those changes. So I really hope this time it's recording. Yeah, it's recording. So sorry again for the confusion that happened yesterday. This is Freliq. This is my demo, and yeah, if you'd like for us to continue talking about your particular project and your particular use case, then let's get started talking on that so that I can begin creating it as soon as possible. Thanks, and have a great day. God is good.